How to enhance video quality like Topaz AI using the Alight Motion app.
I hope it's okay. I just came through this.
Let's watch the tutorial. Open your AirVid and enhance your video. Now open your Alight Motion app. And using my high-quality CC. My high-quality CC link is in the description box. It's done.
Hello. I hope it's okay. I just came through this. Just closed.
Thanks for watching.